Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh Online Edition, from 1 to 5 February 2021. Sustainability, a commitment for Simaga Group.
Ukraine has harvested 80% of its sown land, and completed 76% of its winter crop planting.
Millers in Brazil have opposed the sale of genetically modified GM wheat.
Google has released a mineral crop inspection robot.
Largest feed mill in Tamil Nadu, India will be built by Van Arsen International.
World Food Day 2020 has been celebrated in Bangladesh, as well as all over the world.
Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
And Mill Tech Istanbul, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.